Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be installing a wig from UNice Hair. I'll be installing a 13x4 bodywave frontal wig. In the box I received some lashes, a wig cap, and headbands. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the package, and the next clip will be showing you guys what it looks like after I customized it. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how I know where to place my lace on my client. The first thing that I do is place the wig on my client's head. After I've got it positioned where I want it to be, I'll have my client hold the center of the wig while I place the sides down. Once the wig is positioned where I want it to be, I use an angled brush and the makeup closest to my client's skin complexion and make a dotted line across the hairline of the wig. Before placing your first layer of glue on your client's hairline, make sure that you clean off where you're going to place the glue. When I'm making a dotted line, I always place it a little bit below the cap. When spreading the glue across your client's forehead, make sure that you don't go beyond the dotted line. If you do end up placing the glue beyond the line, just make sure you have lace to place on top of it. When placing the lace into the glue, it should make it easier for you to know where to lay it because of the dotted line that you made before. When cutting the lace off, make sure you go in a zigzag motion and not in a straight line. This wig ended up being the perfect size for my client. I didn't have to go around her ear and cut off any hair. After you're finished cutting off all the lace, you're going to use the makeup closest to your client's skin complexion and brush it over the lace to give it a better match. After I'm done placing the makeup, I did go in with a holding spray and sprayed it across the lace just to give it a better hold. This is what the wig looks like after I have finished melting the lace. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching.